Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome back guys to my channel, and today I will show my project that I have completed that, and this is actually the assignment from my lecture. So I just and I have completed it, and now I want to show you the result of the assignment. So the lecturer gave us an assignment, especially to programmer, to able make to be able make apps new apps, I mean, with Flutter, which is we have to using an API from, the name is News API. So basically we have to make a application of news about the what happened in the world. So the data is we take it from this website. The name is newsapi.org, and now I want to show the result of my project. So in this project I have made many file and folders, and you can see all of them, and this is what I found from the video that my lecturer gave it to us. So let's go to the result. So first I have to run Flutter run, or in the VS Code you can start debugging, which with F5 if you use the VS Code. And I don't know if you using Android Studio, but I think in Android Studio you can use the terminal or others. So okay, we waiting for the result. Oh, I'm sorry, we have wrong here. So you can, I have what the name is, get the debug in my phone. So I have to change the debug application in the mobile. So here I have connected my phone with the USB type C, not USB type but type C to type C, which is my cable to connect in my computer. So let's go to the what the name is, the debug. You can see here I running in my Samsung M336B. So we have waiting for a long time maybe. So while we waiting for the application, the result of this application, I want to show you about source code, yeah, and I will explain it later. So here in the home page, and maybe we can see the result later after this processing is completed. So basically I of course made the file of the my.dart. So this is the basic or the root of our application. So I use the multi-provider, and in the multi-provider widget is have providers what the name, the property, yes, I mean, and the provider's property is can return only the list type, which in the list type we have others widget. I don't think so, but we can read in the documentation here, which is the providers is required. So you should to attend the list type about single child widget. So in the list, in providers list here, you can see the child widget is change notifier provider, and he contain a function, and the return is the news provider. So when we go to the class news provider here, this is the all of the data JSON that we have converted it in the Dart. So you can see here I made the class name provider with change notifier, which is this is JSON, this is the Dart from JSON. Oh, I mean not. This is the all of the function that we have made in the what the name is in the application. So where is the display here? I don't know how to see in the VS Code, so I think this is very annoying, because I don't understand how to see the result in the when we use VS Code. So I use Android Studio to see the result. So here's the running devices. Okay, this is the result of my project. So we get the what the name is, the result out, and then we how to make, okay, maybe we just use the what the name is this, the Android Studio. Okay, maybe you can see the result in here. So okay, this is I use my phone to debug this application. Okay, this is right. Okay, I think I should to make it bigger, because this is not bigger, this is not too big, and this almost perfect. Okay, this is I think this perfectly. Okay, you can see this all of the list. The result is like this. We have a search button in the leading of the app bar. So how to make it? So in the home page, basically we have to make a scaffold widget. You can see here the scaffold, and this is the provider to make. We can refresh this page. So when I use my phone and I refresh, it will be refreshed and get the new I think not the new but the latest news in this application, just like that, this function of the refresh indicator widget. So, and I use the consumer widget to make our provider can be accessed in the every widget in the Flutter root especially. So basically we have a return, yeah, and like what I said before, this is have a widget refresh indicator. When we refresh it, it will, the function of asynchronous anonymous asynchronous function, it will running, and the function we have made it in the provider nows. This is just when we click it like this, this is the best of the function, all of the providers function we put out in here. Okay, and this is the function. So maybe I have to focus in the feature of this application. Okay, so just like this, if you see here, I think I have to explain how the API work. So okay, the first thing that you have to know about the API, you should to get the API link, and you may be testing it. And honestly, this website is very helpful, because we can get the API and the result immediately in this website. So we should not to get in the Postman or others to test the API, because this is the result API is in the website. Okay, so after you have the link of the API, you must convert all of the JSON. Here is the result of JSON, JavaScript object nation, and you have to convert it in the dot. So you have made a model to make this JSON can be accessed in the Dart. So you should make a models. Okay, so I use the JSON to Dart. You can searching or googling it JSON to Dart, and automatically the result is JSON to Dart GitHub page. But I not used it. I forget what the website that I used it before. Wait, where is the? Here is something wrong here. Okay, maybe later. So you can looking or searching JSON to Dart here, and you can use this or this, whatever you want. So you can pass the JSON here, all of this JSON data, but I think it's a very much. Okay, after that you should to import here, and you can copy all the result of the Dart, and you should put in the one file. So let's go to the example that I have made it before, and you can see I made the model in the top news models, which is this is the class or the models to convert the JSON data to the Dart language. Okay, like that. And this is automatically based on the JSON data. Okay, like this. And then we made into the providers, and I have to what the name is. I want to show you the package dependency that I use. You can see in the pubs YAML here, and adding some package. Yeah, the package first is a provider, and the tile and fancy shimmer image. You can make the version as the latest version. Okay, like that. And yeah, I think we straight to the result. Okay, maybe the result just like this, simple as it. You can see it's very simple, but this make almost 1 day to make this, because I have any busy to do. So when we click here, I think maybe the Apple, Okay, when I send, this is automatically will be loading here and send the response of the request here. Okay, like that. And I use the default image like this because in the tutorial it will be string empty string, but I think it's not a good practice because I not like the flat image. Yeah, because if you make the string is empty, it will be make the flat of the image. Because I use the not providers but package from fancy image, yeah, that I said before. You should to installation, you should to install this is the package like that. Okay, maybe like that. I think it enough to introduce my or review my application. You can see here, this is the result. The feature is you can refresh, yeah, you can refresh in here. You can scroll all the latest news and you can refresh it, and you can see in this I think I have to turn on the touch. Okay, so you can see here the image is broken. That is, I give the default of the images. When the URL of the image is null, yeah, I use null safety here, so it will be return the default value like that. And this is the result of the image. And the other feature that I have made it before, you can see this is I added the icon of searching, and when you click it, when you click it, you can see the latest or the latest news that you search it before, and when you search it with the now heading or the now line like Indonesian maybe, and you click the send icon here, it will be automatically loading here and get the now data or now news about Indonesian. But I think it's not. Oh, okay, it's something wrong here because the schedule microtasking is, oh, I think the memory of this laptop is not good, so I have to restart it. Sometimes it will be like it will be like this if the internet is not good, so I have to restart it. Okay, and this is the result of this. Okay, yeah, the features is like that. Maybe the next feature I have to add the detail of the news. Maybe, yeah, when I click this news, the detail of the page of the news, it will show. And maybe I will make it grow later. So thank you for watching my what the name is, my review of this project, and thank you. Have a good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.